Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we are in the community of Third Ward, which is in the heart of Houston. The heart of Houston means it is close to downtown, less than 5 minutes from downtown, less than 5 miles from the medical center. Now, this particular home is built by a builder called Syndicate Developers. It is a 3-story, 3-bedroom, 3 full baths, and 2 half-bath home. Is a little over 2,300 square feet actually, and the starting price is going to be in the low $500,000 range. Now, I know this particular builder does offer certain incentives if you use certain lenders. Now, those lenders can offer you a 0 down payment and 0 PMI. So if you are looking to try to move into a home like this with little to no money, then this might be a great place for you to go. The schools that are zoned to this home are going to be Blackshear Elementary, Cullen Middle School, and Yates High School. Now, remember, this community does not have a HOA. So if you are looking for a home that's not going to be restricted by the rules and regulations that come with being in an HOA, then this could be the perfect fit for you. If you have any questions regarding this home, this builder, or any other real estate questions, or just give me your opinion of what you think about this home, let me know. Put them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And do me a big favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of new weekly videos. Enjoy the rest of the tour.